Hey there, I'm going to teach you today how to make the herringbone stitch. We're going to start with a herringbone double crochet, which can be used in my Pruina cable cardigan, and then I'll teach you how to make the half double crochet. So we'll start by doing our chain 2, and I always like to start my rows with a regular double crochet stitch just to help keep the edges even. Then we'll begin our herringbone stitches. So you go to make your double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over. Now, here's where it's different. When you pull through, you're also going to pull through that first stitch on your hook. Then finish the double crochet as usual. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Okay? So you yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through stitch, and the first loop on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first stitch on your hook, yarn over, pull through both stitches. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through stitch, and first loop on hook, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through both. And that's how you make the herringbone double crochet. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, and pull through the first loop. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. And then I like to end my row with a double crochet, again to keep even edges. If you want to see my trick to getting smooth edges, you can check out my video for that. Let me show you how to do a herringbone half double crochet. Again, I'll work a regular stitch into the end just to keep even edges. Then yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through loop and first loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through stitch, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through stitch and first loop, yarn over, pull through both loops, and that's how you make the herringbone half double crochet. I used the herringbone double crochet with my Pruina cable cardigan to create a nicer, more sophisticated plain stitch for the body of the cardigan. And if you want to check out that sweater, you can find the link in my description. Thanks for watching.